holiday tomorrow. Hallelujah.
You can come till 2 hours.
Huh?
No, she can come till 2 o'clock, because after 2 o'clock he'll start sleeping.
Brother does not sleep.
Father, in the name of Jesus, we thank you that you have confirmed the word that was being preached. What we bind on earth is bound in heaven. What we loose on earth is loosed in heaven. Thank you that you have given us the keys of the kingdom. Help us to use these keys every day in our life. And as we use these keys, we become masters and champions in using these keys and establishing your kingdom and your word, your covenant on this planet Earth. We thank you, we praise you, Lord, for teaching us these truths. That the spoken word coming out of our spirit has power to bring life or death, victory or defeat, victor or victim, success or defeat. Thank you, Lord, for sharing with us that these words, which are containers, they carry faith or fear, and they produce and always produce after their coming. So when a word of faith is spoken, it brings healing. When the word of fear is spoken, it brings destruction. Thank you for confirming the word that has been preached with accompanying signs and wonders. Even as we go back, Lord, help us to take that revision and study and study and study and study these spiritual truths and apply them in our day-to-day life. And as we apply them, O Lord, we shall see the results.
Amen.
Like never before. Because these are the keys of the kingdom. And the more we use these keys, we can paralyze the enemy in his own techniques and strategies. Thank you and praise you, Father, for giving us such great authority, such great power, and such great inheritance. Thank you, Father. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Praise God.
Praise God.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Today we declare a day of fasting. You will go home directly now. There's no food. Smiling, they don't believe me. You don't believe me either, don't you?
Okay, no problem now. Anybody said anything? No food, okay, we can take them out to the restaurant.
Today what has happened is many have not come, so there is excess. I already ordered for the containers. After a good meal, please take it home also. Okay? Each one fills one container. If you take the second container, I know you'll go and sell it somewhere. So please take the containers are coming. After you finish, just give it to everybody. Okay? Tomorrow we start at 6:30 a.m. Okay. And brother, I have a very powerful testimony.
Bolo, bolo.
Tomorrow. Sleep well tonight, because tomorrow is a day. You know it. No one knows it. A lot of things are going wrong in my life. But how it, Sachin Tendulkar, it's a right ball, he hits it for a 6. That's exactly what will happen.
Very good. Praise God. Six will come to me. Very good. Hallelujah.
You have not come to the weekend.
He got that 6, I don't get that 6.
That's why the testimony is